Welcome to Internet Recap. We collect the best videos on the internet, so you don't have to. A blizzard has turned homes in New York into ice sculptures, and this is what it looks like.
Look, Maverick.
Ready? Hold it.
Did you know that hippos can walk along the bottom of lakes and rivers? In Metaverse, you can play old-school video games, just like this PlayStation.
Agora veio. Agora veio.
Have you ever seen a bear that loves to eat boiled eggs? There's one in Russia. This concert has great pyrotechnics and creates awesome firework to top it off. Thanks for joining us in today's video. Stay tuned for more.